Yes.
You gotta beat the clock, you gotta beat the clock. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This happened once before when I came to your door. No, it's lies. They said it wasn't true, but I saw you peep through your window. You know, if you break my heart, I know, but I'll be back again. 'Cause I told you once before goodbye, but I came back again. Asked the girl what she wanted to be. She said, baby, can't you see? I wanna be famous, a star on the screen, but you can do something in between. Baby, you can drive my car. Yes, I'm gonna be a star. Baby, you can drive my car. Baby, I love you. Listen, do you want to know the secret? You promise not to tell. Whoa, close there. Let me whisper in your ear. Say the words you long to hear. I'm in love with you. Ooh, just stay in my way. Do I have to keep on talking to you? I can't go on. And then, yeah, with the reason knowing that I love my sin be gone. We can work it out. We can work it out. I'm sure that I will get like you, that I would love everything that you do, and I do. Yeah. He's a real nowhere man, sitting in his nowhere land. You're gonna lose that girl. Yes, you're gonna lose that girl. You're gonna lose. Yes, you're gonna lose that girl. You're gonna lose. Yes, you're gonna lose that girl. Hey, I'm gonna say, I think it's too late. Yeah. The girl that's driving me mad is going away. Oh, she's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride, but she don't care. Kayo, ganito lang ako. Nakakaubos ng hangin. Salamat po. Alaala na ito nung nasa ulong po kami noon. Kada 80, 79. Yung pinakita namin ko sa mga school. Kami na Dennis, Carmelo, Eusebio, Edward Banting, Eduardo Zuniga. Yan ang mga base na kami. Salamat po.